Water resources. An introduction to water resources. Water, a must for all life forms in Earth and the most important natural resource. Earth is a watery place, but how much water exists on, in, and above our planet? About 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water, and the oceans hold about 96.5% of all Earth's water. Water also exists in the air as water vapor, in rivers and lakes, in ice caps and glaciers, in the ground as soil moisture and in aquifers, and even in you and your dog. In India, the water resources amount to an estimated 1,897 square kilometer per annum. However, we all know about the shortage of water we are facing as a country. Let us learn more about the conservation of water resources. Some quick facts and figures. The total volume of water on Earth's surface, 96.5%. The total volume of usable fresh water, 2.5%. The volume of fresh water in ice sheets and glaciers, 70%. Stored groundwater, 30%. Precipitation, rainfall in India, 4% of Earth's total. India's rank in the world for water availability per person per annum, 133. Problems of water availability. There's scarcity of water in many regions of the world. Most of Africa, West Asia, South Asia, parts of Western USA, Northwest Mexico, parts of South America, and entire Australia facing shortages in fresh water supply. Countries located in climatic zones most susceptible to drought face great problems of water scarcity. Thus, water shortage may be a consequence of variation in seasonal or annual precipitation, or the scarcity is caused by overexploitation and contamination of water resources. Water pollution. The contamination of water bodies such as rivers, lakes, etc. due to several contaminants being discharged in them, directly or indirectly, is known as water pollution. Water pollution has severe and hazardous impacts on our environment. Cause of water pollution. Contaminated water from household, industries, power plants, etc. results in the pollution of water. Usually they are polluted to the extent that they cause problems for humans and animals. Average usage of water in Indian household. An average urban Indian uses about 150 liters of water every day. Drinking 3, cooking 4, bathing 20, flushing 40, washing clothes 40, washing utensils 20, gardening 23, total 150. Different ways to conserve water. Dams. These are hydraulic structures that can either control, redirect, or obstruct the flow of water from a water body. Dams are made from wood, stone, or concrete. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater is collected from rooftops or ground and stored in large tanks for later use. Rainwater harvesting is popular in the state of Rajasthan, West Bengal, Meghalaya, and Tamil Nadu. Drip irrigation. This method is most practiced in northeastern states for irrigation of farms as well as save the local water resources. Bamboo pipes flow water over a long distance and end up in drips when they reach the plants. Interesting facts. In 1975, the consumption of water for human use was 3,850 km per year. It soared to more than 3,000 cu km per year in the year 2000. Amreli city in Saurashtra region with a population of 1.25 lakhs is completely dependent on purchasing water from the nearby talukas. A dripping tap wastes 1,200 liters of water in a year. On an average, one spell of rain for 2 hours is enough to save 8,000 liters of water. Thank you. I hope you find information useful. For more such content, like, share and subscribe our channel What's So Genius.